If you want to make some decorations of your own, first use a saucer to draw around onto some sheets of coloured tissue paper. Now you need to cut out 30 circles. And when you have all 30, you will also need a circle of cereal box card, a bit smaller all the way round than your tissues. Then you need to cut the card circle in half. And just leave the cut pieces to one side, then take your pile of tissue circles, fold them in half and press to get a nice centre fold. Then stick one of the semicircles of card in the middle of one side, like this. Then turn the folded circles over and stick the other semicircle of card on the other side. And just press and hold the tissue and card until the glue has stuck firm. When the card pieces have stuck, open out one semicircle segment, and now the really important bit. Take your glue stick and put glue down the centre line. Then put a little dab of glue near the top, at the side and at the bottom, sort of 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock. See that? Then fold it over and press the tissue down into those little blobs of glue. Then take the glue stick again and put some down the centre line. Then this time 2 dots at 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock. See that? Fold over another segment and gently press it into the dabs of glue. And the idea is to keep alternating where you put the glue. Just do it down the centre, then 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Fold it over, press it down into the little dabs of glue, and then again glue down the centre line, and then 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock, and keep going until you have done all the tissue segments. When you've glued all the sections, you'll end up with this. The tissue segments are all joined up. Then just tape a loop of string or ribbon at the top of one side of the centre fold, like that. And all you need to do now is fold the segment around. Then the secret weapon, a paper clip. Carefully pop it on to keep those segments together. And with the paper clip on, you have a lovely tissue paper bauble ready to hang up. You could even make them two-tone. Just alternate the colours of your tissue circles before you start. Or how about a multicoloured sugar paper one like this? And if you want to make smaller baubles, you only need 20 mug-sized circles. And why not hang them on your tree? Or you could even dip the edges of a giant one in glitter to get a glitter ball.